So Musa Mseleku is preparing a ceremony. So in preparing this ceremony, I actually went to Makhumalo's house. But when he went there, he actually told Makhumalo that, okay, I want you to cook. But the challenge that is there now is that Makhumalo once cooked the food, and the other wives didn't appreciate that, because they were now questioning Makhumalo and said, who told you to cook this food? Because cooking food is something really personal. When you're cooking food, especially for your husband, it's something personal. And there are these other wives. They also want this opportunity to be able to cook for their husband. So in seeing Makhumalo cooking this food, this jealousy is just coming out, and they're just not happy with Makhumalo. Like, why are you cooking? Who told you to cook? So you can see where the challenge is coming from. And Makhumalo obviously had the right to question Musa Mseleku and saying, okay, did you talk with your wives? Did you tell them that this is what you're planning? Because Makhumalo does not want any challenges here. To make matters even worse, Musa Mseleku had actually first gone to Mayeni and didn't even eat any of the food while he was there. But when he got to Makhumalo's house, that's when he started requesting for food and was like, no, I'm hungry. I want to eat. I did not eat at Mayene's house. It paints a bad picture for Makhumalo, because these other wives would start to think that Makhumalo is doing something to Musa Mseleku by making him not to eat at their houses or to even request the food